Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fade out audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. I've added a video clip to my timeline along with some audio that I want to fade out. First, go to the Effects panel. Inside the Effects panel, open the Audio Transitions folder. Then, open the Crossfade folder. Here, you'll find 3 audio fades. The first one is Constant Gain, which fades your audio at a constant rate over time. To add it to your audio, drag it to the very end of your audio clip until it's highlighted, then release it. This sounds okay, but Constant Gain can make the ending sound abrupt. The next fade is Constant Power, which gives your audio a smoother fade by decreasing the audio slowly at first and then faster at the end. The final fade is Exponential Fade, which fades on a much sharper curve. All of these fades have their uses. It's really up to you to decide which sounds best for your audio. To change the duration of the fade, hover over the end of the transition until you see a bracket. Drag it to adjust the fade's duration. This way, the fade can last longer or shorter, depending on your preference. If you have trouble seeing the duration bracket, you're probably not zoomed into your timeline enough. Use the circular handles on the bar at the bottom of the timeline to zoom in. Then, you should be able to see the bracket and adjust the duration. You can also double-click the audio transition to enter the duration you'd like it to last manually. While I'm focusing on fading out for this video, fading in works exactly the same way. The only difference is that you drag one of these transitions to the very start of your audio instead of the end. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.